far as the police investigation in the case is concerned, two individuals who have now been arrested for allegedly assaulting a woman, the TMC Neta's brother, has been arrested. Let's get a quick update from Adrija now. Adrija, we're already looking at arrests that have been made by the police. Share the latest update, please.
Well, you see, the prime accused who was named by the women, that person has been arrested. In fact, the two people who were named by the women, by the victim, in fact, when she has submitted a written complaint to the local police station, those two people have been arrested, and this includes the prime accused as well, who happens to be the brother of the TMC Panchayat leader in that particular area in Cooch Behar in Mathapanga place. So, of course, you know, the police have started their initial investigation into the matter, and of course, it is yet to see that what are the other steps that the police takes. But of course, the TMC here have now distanced itself and is mentioning that this was nothing but just a personal infighting that was going on between her and some other people there, and there is no political involvement as such into the entire matter. That is what the TMC is claiming. But of course, considering of all the mob-related violence that is going on in the state of West Bengal for the past couple of weeks, this yet another, very interesting to note that another connection of the accuser with the TMC comes out, where, this particular person who happens to be the prime accused in this entire case is again associated with TMC. His brother is the leader of the panchayat in the area.
TMC meanwhile denying those links there. राहुल सिन्हा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए। राहुल सिन्हा जी, जो कूच बिहार का जो इंसिडेंट सामने आया, बताया जा रहा है कि बड़ी गिरफ्तारियां हुई हैं वहां पर।
गिरफ्तारी तो हुआ, लेकिन देखना पड़ेगा गिरफ्तारी का क्या होता है। और पश्चिम बंगाल में तो गिरफ्तारी चुन चुन के विपक्ष का लोगों को करते हैं, और जो सरकारी लोग हैं उन लोगों को गिरफ्तारी तो होता है, लेकिन उन लोगों को ऐसा धारा देते हैं जो वो तुरंत छूट जाते हैं। तो इसीलिए क्या किया अभी तक वो बाद में ही पता चलेगा।
चलिए, अब अभी भी आपका ये मानना है। धन्यवाद आपका राहुल सिन्हा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने